In this video, we're going to show you how to install and start using the VibeTester AI test case generator for Jira. The plugin generates test cases from your Jira context, which is configurable. There are two versions available, details of which are on the Marketplace page under Pricing. The standard version contains all the basic features of the advanced version, including the ability to import test cases into Xray, Zephyr, or Jira. The key differences between the standard and advanced are that you get an agentic setup for test case generation with advanced. The model has an author, critique, and rewriter agent, which really improves the quality of the test cases generated. The other key difference is the unlimited LLM with advanced, so you can generate as many test cases as you want. The standard version has a limited LLM to allow you to generate a few test cases before you'll need to connect your own LLM. So for this demo, I'm going to install the advanced version from the Marketplace. So when you've installed the plugin, there are two settings pages for VibeTester. The app settings are available from Settings, Marketplace Apps. You'll see a link on the left-hand side for VibeTester. In this page, you set the API keys for connection to your LLM. We currently support OpenAI, Claude, and Azure. In addition, you could set up a connection to test management plugins, such as Xray, Zephyr, and Zephyr Essentials. In this demo, we're going to import the generated test cases into Jira, so we won't need to set up any specific integrations for this demo, and also we use the AssertThat default LLM. Next, we are going to go to the project settings where we will enable VibeTester for the projects. Okay, so from apps, I'm going to select VibeTester, and then I'm going to enable VibeTester for this project. Then I'm going to select the test management integration. As mentioned in this demo, we will generate the test cases and create Jira tasks for each of the test cases. These are selected by default. The next configuration is the issue fields for AI context, where you set which Jira fields you want to use to generate the test cases. I'm going to use the default values of the summary field and the description field. There are three types of test cases you can generate in VibeTester: manual, cucumber, and generic. For each type, you can configure your own test case generation rules. This ensures your team generates similar style test cases. For now, we're just going to use the default settings. We'll now go to the Jira issue and start generating some test cases. Jira requires Marketplace plugins to be enabled on each Jira ticket. This is a one-time activity. Click on the button here, click on VibeTester. VibeTester will now be enabled for this ticket. You can enable it all the time by clicking on Show for all work items from the three dots. Unlike other plugins, we ensure that scenarios can be edited and reviewed before importing into Jira or your test management tool. So when you're generating the test cases, the first option you've got to do is to select your LLM from the drop-down. We didn't set up any specific integrations as part of this demo, and we'll use the AssertThat default LLM. The next option is to select the test case type, so we can do manual, cucumber, or generic test cases. Finally, you can add additional context regarding a user story or around the test case details. We're just going to leave this blank for now. Now click on Generate AI Test Cases and wait a few moments. Great, so it's generated the test cases. And now is the key review opportunity before importing the test cases into your test management tool or Jira. You've got lots of options available. You can move steps. You can delete or add new steps. And you can change the formatting of them. You can even add new test cases. When you're happy, you can import them or generate CSV files. Okay, let's take a quick look at some of the other different test cases you can generate. So we've looked at manual, we'll now have a quick look at Cucumber. And then finally, we can also generate the generic test cases. This is useful for exploratory testing. We hope you have found this demo useful, and if you'd like any further information or a personalized demo, then please get in contact via our website or marketplace page.